welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Makeup Monday. Today's Makeup Monday video is going to be on this Nip and Fab face palette. I do not know if you guys will remember this, but I got this in... which calendar was it? I got it in one of my calendars, my advent calendars last year. I think it was the... It was either the Look Fantastic one or what was the other one that I got? Anyway, I got it in one of them and it's freaking awesome. I love it. You guys will remember me getting very excited about it, but here we go. I have used it quite a few times, but I haven't done a dedicated video, I don't think. Have I? Maybe I have. Well, if I have, I'm doing another one because this is such a great palette. I love it. It's perfect for traveling, so I'm just going to speak like about that as what it is. We've got champagne, satin and latte, and basically you've got a contour, a blush and a highlight, and they are all really good. Like, they do what you need them to do. So for a travel palette, it's got a mirror as well. It's perfect. It's freaking perfect. I love this. This is awesome. We're going to use this on the face today, and I'm going to show you guys what it's like. So let's get into it. So I'm going to start off with the contour or bronzer, whatever you want to call it. I think it works for both. Now, I don't know if this comes in different shades. Like, I do really like the shade of the contour slash bronzer. I think, like, it works really well. I am personally quite pale. I feel like this is quite, like, it works for a pale person. And I'm guessing, like, you could build it up if you needed it a bit darker, like if you've got a bit of a tan going on, or if you are naturally a bit darker than me. Which, let's face it, most people are, because I'm very pale. So that is the first contour shade, and yes, I very much am loving it. I just love this palette so much. I just love this palette so much. Next I'm going to go in with the blush. I actually haven't used this palette for a really long time, and I think it's because I decided that because I have so many like bronzers, contours, highlights, blush, all that, I decided I'm going to save this for travelling because it literally is perfect. Like, if I go on holiday again, this will be coming with me, definitely. So pretty, I love it! So that is the blush, and I do think it's super pretty. It's just a really nice shade. Like, I don't know, it's just like a pinky, just like a nice pinky shade. It's not shimmery, it's just a nice matte blush, just to give you that, like, that little bit of a blushy look. And now for my favourite part, it's the highlight. And this is a good highlight. Sometimes the highlights in these palettes can be a little bit of a letdown, but this one, as you can see, is definitely not. Sorry guys, I know I'm a little bit insane, but yeah. So it's not like the best highlight in the world, don't get me wrong, but it's a really, really good one. I feel like this would be a really great palette to use in your makeup bag if you do your makeup for work on the train, or if you do your makeup once you get to work, or like anything like that. Like, you could wear this to work, you could wear it to school, you could wear it to uni. It's literally just got everything in it that you need. And I just think it's fab. I love it. And yeah, as highlights go, like, there's definitely some pop in it, which obviously you guys know I love my pop. Like, I like a really very, very highlighty highlight, and this is not half freaking bad. Let's put a bit on my nose. And there we go. So, what I'm going to do so you guys can get like a proper like idea is I'm going to finish my makeup off and come back with it all done so you can just see what it looks like with like the whole of the makeup on, if you know what I'm saying. So I shall be right back. And this is the finished makeup. I do not know why it is so bright right now, you guys, but I cannot even do anything about it. Like, my ISO is right down. Let's just wait. Okay, so that's a little bit better. So this is just what the face looks like with everything on. You can see like the highlight is like, boom! Yes! Yes! I just love it. If you're interested in what else I'm wearing, I have got the Naked Heat on my eyes, and I'm wearing Jeffree Star Sagittarius on my lips. And I've also got the Mia Secret eyelashes on, which are just freaking beautiful, which you can buy from my website. The website link is down below. It's IdleGirl.co.uk, and yeah. So I'm like, yeah, just love this palette. I think it's gorgeous. I love it. I love the way that like it just has everything you need, and it is just such a practical little palette, like especially to take anywhere with you, like I said, even if it's just like work or school or uni or whatever. Like, it's so good. And I'll even like take out on a night out with you as well, if you're one of them who likes to top up their makeup. I'm too lazy for that, so yeah. But that's it, guys. That's the finished result. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys love this palette as much as I do. I really do love it. It's amazing. I'm not even entirely sure where you can get it, but I think you can get it at quite a few different places. The best bet would be Google. Google is life, so yeah. That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please do give me a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed and that you've hit that bell button, because then you will be notified of my new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!